Jim and Pam wait in this line to get married?
I don't know. They just skipped work.
They really skipped over that in the show.
Yeah, right?
Oh,
They just skipped work and then they went and got married.
Yeah.
They
made it look easy.
Yeah.
We're moving. Oh, Canada, you're la 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 la. I don't know the song. Oh my god, that water's beautiful. On your left. Legit, on your left. Oh, you can walk across. Oh, it's free. Free shuttle. Yeah. Observation tower, Maid of the Mist. Wow. It's not going to be any deader, so if we just wanted to scan online and do a 2:30, we could come back, I guess, and not wait in the line. Sir, follow the tour, please. Welcome to Maid of the Mist.
Maid of the Mist.
The beginning of your experience at Maid of the Mist will be in a 45-minute waiting line.
Hopefully 45 minutes.
To purchase a ticket to go see the Raging Falls.
You got the whole road and everything.
Wow.
Wow.
You got everything. You gotta get your mustache. Are you kidding me? Wow. That's awesome. Let's make a bet. How wet do you think you'll get?
I don't know. I'm not going to get wet. My legs will get a little wet.
You're water. Of course you are.
I'll dry right off.
I'm waterproof.
Waterproof. Waterproof.
Yeah.
I'm
It's
just
like
water
rubber.
resistant.
It's like your rubber on me. Whatever bounces off me sticks to you. Sort of
Oh,
situation.
wow.
Did you make that up?
They're gonna get twice as wet as us.
Right now.
As me.
What are you gonna do about your camera? That is not waterproof.
Put it over my
Put it under your blue vest.
Oh, you're gonna use my jacket?
jacket.
Did Jim and Pam wait in this line to get married?
I don't know.
What?
They just skipped work.
They really skipped over that in the show.
Yeah, right?
Oh,
They just
the
skipped
line.
work and then they went and got married. The
They
Maid
made
of
it
the
look
Mist.
easy.
Yeah.
We're moving. How excited are you about the walk and the plank out here?
I don't know. I might never survive. Might be done.
Oh
Might be
gosh,
done
no,
for.
no, no, no.
Just wanna
Can't
jump in
lose
it.
you
Might
now.
just melt into it and
Oh,
You might not have your
better than
10
falling
fingers.
off of it.
Oh.
no, I melt through and become.
How about you
Niagara.
crawl? Get down on your hands and knees and crawl out to the end. We're not sure if we walk the plank first or if we go in the boat first. Time check. How long have we been in line?
Not quite 20 minutes yet.
20?
Almost.
We're living pretty good.
Not bad. Shorter than a ride at Disney.
True.
Yep.
I Have you always wanted to see the Niagara Falls?
I don't know if always, but yes.
Of course, since we heard about it, right?
What?
Have you always wanted to see Niagara Falls?
Yeah.
I mean, right?
Not no.
Yeah.
Not no, yeah, since you knew about it. What was our wait time, finally?
Not quite 30 minutes yet.
30 minutes to get to the ticket booth on a very busy Saturday, Labor Day weekend.
Labor Day weekend.
Don't bring your American Express to pay with. Oh, a postcard!
Yeah, you want to ask the question.
Wow. Thanks for having us.
You're welcome.
And the other 300 people. Our blue rain jackets, our ponchos. I got
Oh, you know we want it.
Thanks to Dexter, the
How are
poncho
you?
guy.
Good to
Thanks,
see
buddy.
ya.
Appreciate you. Alrighty. Upside down. You're not a real tourist unless you have a Maid of the Miss poncho
That's right. What would Jim and Pam do?
in the office.
They would get married.
Alright. See how she does in putting the poncho on.
It's like a contest.
So while
How
we
you
have
do
our
it?
own jackets, you don't have to bring it. You got to wear one of the ponchos to be a true tourist.
Whoa.
Nice.
It's Eminem. Here, let me get you. And go. Ooh, man, this is nice.
I'm sticking to it.
There you go. There you go.
There we go.
Look how short Justin's is. I know he pulled it up, but mine is like a full-on dress. If you're short, everything's covered. Woohoo! Here comes our boat.
Lopsided child.
Nice. Nice. You are so, you're gonna be so dry. Not a drop of water's touching you. What happened? Look at the falls. Oh my god, they're crazy. Look at it coming over. See that coming over?
Enjoy your trip.
The falls. Did you look at them?
Yeah.
They're so pretty.
You can go.
Oh,
Enjoy your trip.
thank you.
Hey guys, you want to go downstairs? Wrap around this white box here, all right?
All right, we're under the edge.
Can you move forward and wait Alex towards the jacket?
Oh, sure, sure.
Better spot back there.
No, we could be right there with more room too. Nice. Oh, I'm like the blueberry seed cluster on the.
Oh, you're like in Willy
Willy
Wonka.
Wonka. water is gushing out.
So bad.
My first impression is the water is gushing out. She's good. How do you feel? About to get remarried? Feels good. Yeah. 10 years in.
You know, I do another 10.
You do another 10? You're in for it. Okay. We gotta find you a partner. Where'd he go? Oh. She's in for another 10. You ready to get remarried?
Yeah.
All right. All right. We'll do it. Under the falls. I think the wind picked up a little bit. Wow. It's a little windy. We're out of the windy spot. All those people getting soaking wet. Holy water.
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't get that wet. Not that wet. Waterproof mascara. Little waterproof mascara.
Okay. If only someone would have told us to bring expert shoes.
Man, I wonder who told you that.
Yeah. That's just an observation.
Canada, you get a red hoodie. America, you get a blue one. America, Canada. Basically, for $30, you get to do the boat, you get the observation deck, wife again. That was crazy when we were over there too, just getting soaked. I mean, he went in there, it's like we were in a full-on hurricane storm. It was crazy. It was like full-on hurricane, soaking wet. All right, brought my photographer with me.
What am I getting paid?
A beer.
Yay!